Hi and welcome. Today we're making steamed salad. This is very easy and simple. So the ingredient is I put the potato, a small potato. Always, if you want more, you add two, three, four potatoes. I have baby peas and carrots. With this one, you can add any vegetable you want. You can put uh, anything you want. So for me, I just added baby peas and carrots and potato. You can add the beets, you can add artichokes, anything you like. And now it's all steamed and cooked. So I'm gonna add parsley. So I'm gonna put some parsley in it. I have some, this is like a black pepper and salt for the season. And I have capers and I have green olives or black olives, up to you, whatever you have at home. Mix them all together. And we're going to add some olive oil. You can add some lemon if you want. And the olives, and I have one boiled eggs. Those are for just decoration. It's very easy and simple, but it tastes very good. You see, it just decorate it with some olives and boiled egg. So I hope you enjoy this little video and you try it. And like I said, you can use any vegetable you like. And don't forget, like and share and subscribe. And enjoy. See you next video. Bye bye. Thank you.